Okay, so that's the end for pretty much the end for this lecture. Let's do some remarks. So in this lecture, we have shown how the theory of operations research may be utilized to develop models in related fields. Actually, there are much more in computer science, in econ, in operations management, and many other fields. Okay, you all may see operations research because there are so many fields that are doing optimizations. Okay, I don't have time to list all of them, so I just choose two. Not just because they are the most important, they are important, but no one can say they are the most important. But at this moment, as of 2021, we are in the era of big data, AI, machine learning, whatever. So there are so many students who want to learn these subjects, machine learning or statistics or their combination, and so on and so on. But one suggestion I want to give to young students is that a solid foundation is always needed for us to get deeper understanding for everything we want to apply. Okay? We all know that for machine learning, there are a lot of tools. There are packages. You just write a few Python programs. You don't really need to know anything about those formulation or underlying duality, whatever thing. You may do SVM. Okay? If you just want to use SVM to classify some typical examples, just write few lines of Python programs. Then doing the model solving can be delegated to those packages. All right. So in that case, what's the point of getting understanding of these models? Well, there are several reasons. So first, if you want to develop better models, then you of course need to know why the original models are good or bad. So that's one thing. Even if you don't want to invent better models, maybe you still want to better utilize or better apply existing models. Then in many cases, you need to understand why it works, why it does not work. So understanding those underlying principles is always important. And without a solid foundation, there's no way to do that. In my perspective, all those optimization things, they are operations research. Or you may say operations research is one kind of foundations. So that's why it is a useful thing if you want to go deeper in many other subjects. Okay? So there are still a lot of interesting things to learn. I'm going to stop here. I hope now you also agree that even if you don't want to say you have a solid foundation, at least now you have a not so bad foundation. You do know something that many people do not know. Not many people really know convexity or KKT conditions or Lagrange relaxation or duality. Not many people know what is totally unimodular matrices and so on. So you now really have some good foundations. Now it's time for you to go and explore the fascinating world. You now do have the armor, you have the weapons. Now go and explore this wonderful world and try to learn some more or even invent something. So that's pretty much all I want to say for this lecture and this course. So thank you.